Hello everyone! So I've been getting some questions about the keto diet that I have been doing, and I have had some pretty decent success with it. I've lost 25 pounds so far. I really enjoy the diet because it lets me eat some of the foods I normally wouldn't be able to enjoy. So today we're going to talk about a chaffle. It's a low-carb waffle, and I use it to make things like this, a low-carb sandwich. So it's a waffle sandwich, and I'm going to show you how to make this. I'm going to show you how to make a chaffle. A chaffle is a low-carb waffle. I walk through how I make it, but you can also make it with just 2 ingredients. You just need eggs and mozzarella cheese, and also a mini waffle iron. So today I'm going to show you how to make an everything waffle. This is my personal recipe, and it's just 2 eggs, a half a cup of mozzarella, 2 tablespoons of fine almond flour, and some everything bagel seasoning. Optional, you can add some cracked pepper, and that's it. You're going to mix the ingredients, and then we're going to place them on our mini waffle iron. Spray it down with a little bit of oil, just a little bit. Then we're going to add a touch of mozzarella, and this is an optional step. I just add this because I like my waffle to be a little crispy, so just a little bit here. And then I really enjoy, you can already hear it sizzling, just a sprinkle of this everything bagel seasoning. And then we're just going to take a couple spoonfuls of our mixture here. And then I tend to kind of just flatten it out. You don't want to overly stuff this. That's probably overly stuffed, to be honest, but we're going to see how it turns out. Then we're just going to close it, let it sit for a few minutes, and then we're going to see how a chaffle turns out. Probably been about a minute or 2, and we're going to see how our waffle's doing, and that looks pretty done to me. Too delicious. So I've cut up some of this Gouda. I'm going to place it right here. Gouda just happens to be the perfect size. It's round. And then we're going to add some salami. And you can totally make this vegetarian as well. And then we're going to add a little bit of lettuce. And I always like to get this butter lettuce that's still alive for making sandwiches and making wraps. And there we go. We have a absolutely delicious sandwich. This is a low-carb sandwich. The most carbs in this would be if you decide to add almond flour, but honestly, in order to make chaffles, the only things you need 2 ingredients, and that is mozzarella cheese and eggs. That's it. Bon appetit! So good. Make one.